Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and 100 Days of Sunlight by Abby Emmons definitely shows us that sometimes life does not go exactly as we expected it to go. So this book tells the story of Tessa, who is a 16-year-old who loses her eyesight after a car accident, and thankfully, she loses her eyesight only for 100 days. However, we can definitely understand how difficult it must be for anyone to lose their eyesight temporarily. We know how much uncertainty and anxiety something like that can bring to a person. So there is a boy called Weston who volunteers to help Tessa out with her emotions, with the one condition that nobody tells her about his disability. Turns out that Weston lost both legs, and he became a really positive person after his experience. So his goal is to transmit that positivity to Tessa without her knowing of his actual condition. So definitely 100 Days of Sunlight trope is one that I had not read before, which I found to be really interesting. And that is my point of view.